Hi friends, welcome to Learn Programming. In this video, we are going to discuss two topics. One is variables and another one is short variable declaration. Actually, variables are used to hold values in memory, and in Go, basically you can declare variables in two ways. First one is using the var keyword. Var is a reserved keyword used to declare a variable in Go. Then you can use the name of the variable, and then you have to provide the data type. In this example, name is the name of our variable and string is the data type of our variable. Let's see how can we print this value. We can use the same print line function to print the variable name. So let's try this code. When you try this, you can see there is no output. Actually, we haven't assigned any values to the variable. When we create a variable using the var keyword, actually Go allocates this in memory, but it does not have any value, that we haven't assigned any value yet. So it is giving an empty string value. So one thing you can do is to give some name here. When we try this the code, you can see the output here. So that's how we can initialize a variable with a value using the var keyword. So one thing you must keep in mind, that whenever you use the keyword var, you have to provide the data type always. This is actually variable declared in the package level, because we have declared the variable outside the main function. We can also declare variables inside the main function using the var keyword. So all these are same, but you have to print that first, because in Go there is one rule: you cannot use a variable, declare a variable which are not used in the program, because in this example we have created the variable, and if I delete this line, it will show an error because age is declared but not used. This is an important feature of Golang, because any of the unused variables are not allowed in Golang. You have to use it somewhere, otherwise you cannot declare it. So let's print the age. So here you can see that the value of the age is 20, which we are printing here. Another way we can declare the age variable without using the var keyword. That is the second way, using this short variable and declaration. Let's see how we can do that. You can remove the var keyword and also the data type int as well. Then you have to put the colon equal to. This is the second syntax, or short variable declaration syntax in Golang. This is exactly same as the previous one. So let's try this code. This time as well we are getting the same output. This is the short variable declarations. Go is actually inferring the type from its value. If you are giving a string value, the data type will be string. This is the second way. But one thing you have to keep in mind, that you cannot put this short variable syntax outside the function, because it will be an error. Because in the main package level, everything must start from a reserved keyword. For example, if this line start from with the package keyword, and this line starts with import keyword, and this line starts with var keyword. Here we don't have any keywords, so this is not allowed in Go. If you try to execute, you will get an error. So you can use the short variable syntax inside functions, but not at the package level. That is the one thing you have to keep in mind when you use this short variable syntax. So that's for this today's video. We will be coming with more videos in the upcoming sessions. See you then. Bye.